Marketing teams have this incredible way of making a plastic stick look like the ultimate weapon against domestic chaos. You see those slow motion shots of a vacuum gliding over a pristine rug, and suddenly you are convinced your life would be 50% better if you just ditch the cord. I spent some real time putting one of these popular Shark cordless models to its paces, specifically the Powerpro Plus. Right off the bat, I noticed the weight. It is light. Carrying this thing upstairs feels like nothing compared to those old school upright monsters that required a gym membership just to move. If you have a lot of furniture to dance around, this is where the design really shines. It swivels. It ducks. It reaches under the coffee table without making you groan. On hardwood floors, the first pass is actually quite satisfying. It grabs the crumbs and the loose dust with plenty of enthusiasm. But here is where the honeymoon phase starts to fade. Once you move that brush head onto a thick carpet, the story changes. The suction that felt so powerful on the kitchen floor suddenly feels a bit shy. It struggles to pull the deep-seated grit out of the carpet fibers. It is more of a surface cleaner than a deep tissue massager for your rugs. Then there is the matter of the ticking clock. Cordless freedom is a beautiful thing until the battery starts blinking at you 20 minutes in. If you live in a small apartment, you might never notice. But if you have a whole house to cover, you are basically racing against a timer. You start rushing. You skip corners because you know the power is about to die. It turns a chore into a high-stakes competition. The noise level is actually decent. It won't wake the neighbors, but it is still a vacuum. So do not expect to have a whispered conversation while it is running. Let's talk about maintenance too. The dustbin is easy to empty, sure, but fine dust and hair are its mortal enemies. I found myself cleaning the filters and cutting hair off the brush roll way more often than I wanted to. If you have pets with long fur, get ready to perform surgery on the vacuum head every few days. It tangles. It clogs. It demands attention. The attachments are a bit of a mixed bag as well. Some feel like they belong on a high-end machine, while others feel like flimsy plastic toys that might snap if you apply too much pressure. The build quality feels okay for the most part, but some of the plastic joints have a bit of a wobble to them. It makes you wonder how it will hold up after 2 years of being bumped into baseboards. Also, keep in mind that batteries do not last forever. Replacing them is a hidden cost that no one mentions in the glossy commercials. This tool is a specialist. It is fantastic for the quick moments when you just need to grab a mess and go. It is great for a quick Tuesday night touch-up before guests arrive. But if you are planning a deep spring cleaning session, this stick might leave you frustrated. It is a convenience tool, not a heavy-duty workhorse. You have to decide if that ease of movement is worth the trade-off in raw power and endurance. It is a legitimate piece of tech, but it is definitely not the magic one the ads want you to believe in. If you need a secondary tool for the kitchen and stairs, it makes total sense. If you want it to be the only vacuum in a large carpeted home, you might want to keep looking for something with a bit more muscle.